My name is Manny Medina. I'm a senior salesman here at MarineMax in Miami. Thank you for watching. I want to show you this yacht. It's actually a yacht, 2 bedrooms, 3 bed, 2 full bathroom, diesel engine, plenty about to go anywhere in the Bahamas. Notice how large is this platform? 800 pounds capacity. You can put a jet ski or an inflatable. And then for your serving accommodations, we have a barbecue, all this stainless steel hardware, fitting holders everywhere. And what is amazing on this boat is the amount of storage and things that you're going to need to secure the boat when you get to a marina. Notice this is storage compartment. It's very large, plenty of room for fenders and liners. And there is an actuator there. And you can see how this hatch goes up. And it's going to give you access to the main breakers and a lot of storage. Also notice ceiling. This is, by the way, Korean, very easy to upkeep. When the platform goes down, we have the t-shirt, but that ladder can't convert into a ladder. It is attached to the boat, and as the platform goes down, it stays connected to the platform, so you got steps. The boy had out of the boat, it has to go on sails in there. Water storage, he actually has fender holders in there, gasket, so it stays dry. Here at Cockpit, notice how we have a door. It makes the boat safer when the boat is on the way. Very high freeboard. We are very high above the water. This boat has volume. It's very high, very deep. It uses all the widths on the side of the boat. For docking, very easy. You don't have to be inside the boat. Now you got plenty of view of your corners. Then you move the port sign. This is the table. That is just an electric actuator. It goes up and down, and then you can put a cushion on top, and it will make it to a bed. You got a serving area, and all your lights for the outside of the boat are controlled here. The stainless steel doors, and then I'm going to show you a couple more features on the end on the boat. Notice that it has a stainless steel frame and the doors, very easy, and a very nice feature. Once you lower this window all the way, then you will connect the inside to the outside of the boat, normal conversation. Everybody will have a lot more fun. And then as you go in, you notice that we have full refrigerators, 2 drawers, TV, entertainment center. It has a very nice galley, very functional, very nicely finished. The woodwork is very amazing on this boat. There are double burner stove and plenty of drawers everywhere, and they are very deep. Nice wood floors, and this is our salon. Very deep, very comfortable seating. Even though you are sitting, you still looking to the outside. It has also, for privacy, it has blinds everywhere. Let me go and show you this area also. Here we have our dinette. You can make it like to a smaller area, more conversation. Real double seating, big dual electronic screens. All your controls are very easy, very handy. Everything is electronic, joystick control from there. And by the way, those windows go up. Let me show you down here. One of the nice features for a 50, not many 50s got this. We have 1, 2, 3 staterooms. This is the master's. It's very high, very deep. And this is a double bed. And here we have the VIP. And another very unusual feature on a 50-footer, you got 2 heads. And sometimes you find 2 bedrooms, 1.5 head. This one has 3 bedrooms with 3 heads. Very enjoyable, very secure, very tall, a lot of volume. You never feel claustrophobic. Here we are at the master. I want to show you the height, the beautiful finish on the vinyl panels. Very unusual sitting area for a boat this size. You can also use it as a baby bed. A lot of air conditioning, big beds, drawers, storage underneath, a lot of storage on the counter. And because the boat is very high, notice how they allow themselves to put opening windows on the back of the boat, which is very unusual to find because the boat has volume, it's very high. and the finish. American finish, very nicely done. American bathrooms, very comfortable. American beds, very cushiony and very large.